Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. You find me here today over on Barton Lane, which is just a short walk into Eccles Centre to my right, and then the opposite direction will take you directly to the Trafford Centre. You've got fantastic local amenities all on your doorstep, all within walking distance. Eccles Recreation Park just positioned behind us, and St Mary's and St Andrew, literally just a stone's throw from where we are. So we've got this fabulous 3-bedroom terrace property. As you can see, the ground floor has this lovely open plan element, that bay front allowing for that natural light to flow throughout the property. You've got endless storage throughout, and there is also cellars with the one chamber beneath the lounge here. Fantastic south facing rear garden, lovely and private, backs onto the park just behind us, and then a small courtyard as you come out of the kitchen. Got a fabulous sized garden with a paved patio as well as an artificial lawn. So we're now in the fitted kitchen, access out onto the rear garden, and as you can see, you've got plenty of storage space with the wall and base units, place for your appliances, and that fabulous 6-ring range cooker. Cellar access just to my right. I'm not going to go down for now whilst there isn't a light, but as I mentioned, you've got the one chamber just beneath the lounge. And then as we head up to the first floor, you've got 3 generously sized bedrooms, along with this really spacious 3-piece bathroom suite. Just at the top of the stairs as we come onto the first floor. Could easily get a 4-piece bathroom in here. And then across the hallway, you've got loft access, and this is the smallest of the 3 rooms. Nice, generous size single. Master also positioned to the front of the property, and once again you've got that storage in place. A really generous size, plenty of space to navigate around this king size, along with the further furnishings. And then lastly into the second double bedroom. Again, just behind me, storage. And as you can see there, out into the rear garden, an artificial lawn and the paved area, along with the wooden shed. That's Eccles Recreation playing fields directly behind us here. Further storage just built in above the doorway. We've got a fabulous 3-bedroom terrace property, ready to come in, add your stamp, perfectly located in regards to all of your amenities, as well as fantastic transport links. You've got the train, the tram and the bus stations just a short walk from where we are, as well as many local supermarkets. So if you'd like to come along and take a view in, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.